How to impossible on a fingerboard. First, let's talk about the finger position. So for an impossible, you want to place your index finger just below the bolts, and for your middle finger, you want to place it hanging off the edge of the tail. And this is the placement for an impossible, what it looks like. Now you get the finger position down, the next step is to learn how to wrap. So when it comes to impossible, you want to pop and scoop the tail down, move your index finger out of the way, and then wrap it up with your middle finger because that allows you to perform into a vertical spin. So when it comes to wrapping, you want to scoop it, put a little more weight or pressure to your middle finger on the tail, and then lift them up underneath through the bucket of the board, and then wrap it around, land on top of it, and roll away. Remember, the point is you want to make sure that your middle finger is staying with the board the entire time. A good way to get comfortable with impossible is try to do it in a fakie stance. It will definitely keep wrapping your middle finger underneath a lot easier at this point. And of course, the most importantly that I taught you about every trick is to just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. And there you have it. Now you know how to do an impossible. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember who taught that to you. Itachi Han. You're welcome.